If you get this network error too on Pokemon Go game, then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. In most cases, you will get this error message, which is network error 2, when Pokemon Go servers are down. So if their servers are down, in most cases, you will get these errors a lot. And it will just resolve by itself in just few hours. However, you can try the following fixes. Just go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure Pokemon Go has been updated to the latest version. So make sure you're using Pokemon Go latest version app. Also, you can go to your settings. This is for Android users. Go to settings and then go to apps. Now look for Pokemon Go game. So just scroll down to P. Select Pokemon Go. Now go to storage and clear the app cache. Also, just go to your game. When you face this error message, just make sure to turn on airplane mode, and then turn it back on again and relaunch the game. In most cases, this will fix your issue, but if it doesn't fix, then the game servers may be down. You'll just need to wait for a few hours and the problem will resolve by itself. So make sure to follow the instructions very carefully and you'll be able to solve this issue. But in most cases, you'll get this error when their servers are down. Just wait for a few hours and the issue will resolve.